For the high rising star, I got my inspiration from a video from the pop-up channel. I'll put the link down below. But as the mechanism that the video shared was only half of it. But then, after I got hold of this book by Matthew Reinhardt, I was intrigued by it and I wanted to do a simplified version, so I had to do the calculation by myself. I made the first dummy with construction paper. As construction paper is more forgiving, it looked alright, but in fact the back piece buckled up and I didn't realize it. Then I used cardstock and I found that the angles were wrong. Either it couldn't stand properly or it couldn't close shut. And the key is, because actually the base page can't open flat. So if you want the tower to stand upright, you have to make it an acute angle V-fold, like so. So measuring the angle is very tricky, and I'm going to share the angles that I worked out in photo because it involves a lot of figures and I don't want to spell out the figures, so you can see the photo. The big thing is the length of this plus the length of this part has to be equal to this plus the distance between the front and back piece. At first I had a hard time remembering which piece which, but then I realized that as this one is actually in one piece, so the back piece plus this part of another piece, that is the front piece, is equal to the front piece plus this. So the length of two different pieces add together. I think gluing the pieces together will be straightforward if you do the calculations right. So I'm not going to demonstrate how to glue them together. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I hope you liked my sharing today. Look out for tutorials for other mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Bye.